It was exciting to see a rocket launch. But how does a rocket fly? When I jump, I cannot fly. Instead, I fall down back on Earth. Why is that? Aha! It's gravity! Gravity is the invisible force that pulls us towards the center of the Earth. That's how, even though the Earth is a sphere, we can stand anywhere and not fall. So, does not gravity pull a rocket? It does. So how does a rocket go up? Let's understand the rocket science. Do you know about Sir Isaac Newton? He was a very famous scientist who discovered gravity when an apple fell on his head. He thought, why did the apple fall down and not go up? It's a good question, but I would have just probably eaten the apple. He also gave the laws of motion. One of the laws of motion is every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Whoa, what does this mean? Let's understand it. Do you go swimming? How do you think we swim? While swimming, we push the water with our hands backward, and in return, it makes us move forward. So when we push the water, that's the action. And because of it, when we move forward, that's the reaction. That is what the law of motion was. An action has an equal and opposite reaction. Didn't realize there was science in swimming too. So how does this work in a rocket? Let's understand it with an example of a balloon. You can grab a balloon if you have one, blow the air in it, and now leave the balloon. What did you notice? The balloon flows away. This is because the air rushing out from the balloon is the action that pushes the balloon as a reaction equally in the opposite direction. Let's compare the same law of motion in rockets. During a rocket launch, we see exhaust streaming out the bottom of the rocket. Exhaust is the flames, hot gases and smoke that comes from burning the rocket's fuel. The exhaust pushes out of a rocket's engine down toward the ground. That's the action force. And in response, the rocket moves in the opposite direction, lifting off the ground. That's the reaction force. So this force lifting the rocket should be higher than the force of gravity to take a rocket into space. I hope I get now how rockets work on the principle of every action has an equal and opposite reaction. A lot of things around you work on the same principle. Keep exploring.